Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students, how are you today? I hope you're doing fine at home and I'm fine too here, Alhamdulillah. So before we start our lesson, don't forget to prepare your books and your pen. And don't forget to pray before we start our lesson. So today's topic is place in Jakarta and telling the future. Lesson 5. The first place in Jakarta is Tanah Abang. These are the pictures of Tanah Abang. What can you see from these pictures? Yes, you can see the clothes, the hijab, the dress, and all the clothes stuffs. So, Tanah Abang is one place in Jakarta which is selling the clothes stuffs. And the things you can buy in Tanah Abang such as a blouse, a glove, a skirt, shorts, a pajamas, etc. The second place in Jakarta is Glodok. What can you see from these pictures? Yes, of course you can see the laptop, you can see the phone, you can see the tripod. So, Glodok is a place in Jakarta which is selling the electronic stuffs. And the things that you can buy in Glodok such as a printer, a laptop, scanner, a fan, a radio, etc. The third place in Jakarta is Kuitang. What can you see from these pictures? Yep, you can see the books. There are a lot of books there. So Kuitang is a place in Jakarta which you can buy the old book there. Old book, buku lama. Next, telling the future. So, you will listen the conversations which telling the future. Listen and you can repeat for practice your pronunciation.
Lesson 6. B. Listen to the recording and repeat out loud.
What's your plan for next holiday? I'm going to go to Tanah Abang.
What's your plan for next Sunday? I will visit my friend in Karet Tengsin. Where will Juki buy the old books?
He will buy them in Kuitang.
Thank you for today. Don't forget to do your assignments and submit your assignment at Google Classroom. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.